For the quick pizza sauce, the ingredients that we need are salt, half teaspoon, basil, half teaspoon, oregano, half teaspoon, chili flakes, half teaspoon, paprika, half teaspoon, and garlic paste, half teaspoon. You can take either garlic paste or garlic powder, whatever you have in hand, you can take it. So, and the tomato ketchup is half cup. So everything is half half. The other thing is, if you don't have oregano, you can take the ajwain. This is the same as oregano. So we just have to put everything in the ketchup and our sauce will be ready. If you want it more spicy, then you can add more chili flakes according to your taste. But I took half teaspoon because I'm making for my kids as well. You just mix everything all together and the sauce is ready. This is our quick tomato sauce is ready in just 30 seconds. For the pizza, I'm taking the garlic naans. I took these 2 garlic and coriander naans, ready-made naans. Or you can take either plain naan as well, right? And some pepper. I took orange bell pepper, mushrooms, chicken. I'm using my leftover chicken here. This is chicken tikka. And this is the same tomato sauce that I made earlier, the pizza sauce. And this is the green olives, and here is some cheddar, and here is some mozzarella cheese. So what you need is a pan with a lid. So first step is you have to place your naan in the bottom. This is a non-stick pan, all right, with a heavy bottom. Yeah, heavy bottom. First step is we have to apply our sauce, pizza sauce on top of it. And then some cheese. I'm putting cheddar cheese on top of here. Chicken. Mushrooms. Actually, all these toppings are optional. You can just apply the tomato sauce and the cheese, then you will have a beautiful pizza without any toppings. Or you can just apply the vegetables, which you can have a vegetarian pizza, or chicken, you can have a chicken pizza. All these toppings are optional. So whatever you have available in your fridge, you can make pizza with that. Applying mozzarella on top. Travel nahi hai beta, it's mozzarella. Cheese. Yeah, it's a cheese. Mozzarella cheese. चलो बस finish. Chicken yummy है. So here I have two pizzas, one I'm gonna make on stove and one in the oven. So I'm gonna show you how to make on the stove. First put tawa on stove and make it hot. When the tawa is fully hot, then you have to put your pan with the lid on and turn on the heat on medium. Medium. Now you can see the cheese has melted, but on the top it doesn't have any like reddish color, but I can see the crust is cooked already. So yeah, it is soft on the top and crusty on the bottom. I'm gonna take it off from the stove. This is the pizza that I made in the oven. It looks really yum, and you can't tell it's naan because its crust is really well cooked now. Now the tasting time. I'm gonna see. You see the cheese layers, how the cheese is going up. And this is from the back, golden brown, and you can see this is a bit crusty and soft on the bottom. And the taste is really good. It is better than the pizza that we bought in the market, which you can bake with the naan bread and in the pan. Please do try it and let me know how you like it. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye.